Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Arius Sews. Let's make this short pinafore cape together. The long one is on my channel. I'll link that if you want to watch that too. So the first thing I did was to fold my fabric into 4 like so. It's going to be a short one, so yes. Then the next thing I did was to measure the neck I wanted to use, and that was 3 by 3 inches for the depth, 3 inches for the width. You can use whatever type of neckline you want and it will still come out fine. A square neckline would also be very beautiful. This is like an example of a square neckline. You can use like 4 inches by 4 inches. You rule that together and you measure 0.5 inch in for tightening, just like so. So whatever neckline you want to use, you can use a v-neck. Whatever neckline you want to use is fine, but I'm going to be using this. So I decided to add 0.5 inch to the width of the neck because I want it to be wider than what I'm going to be pairing it with. So the next thing I did was to measure the length I wanted, and I just added 1 inch seam allowance to that, and that's basically it. So the fabric was folded into the shoulder measurement divided by 2, no allowance added, just the shoulder measurement divided by 2. If you want to slant the shoulder to make it more relaxed, you can go ahead and do that, but for this one I don't want it to have any joining, so I just left the shoulder like that. So this is what it looked like when I was done, cutting it. So this is for the ropes at the sides. So you can make it as long as you want, depends on your preference, but at least 10 inches should be good for it not to be too short. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting out 4 pieces. I folded that into 2. I'm going to also cut it out, so that's 4 pieces. The ropes were about 3 inches wide, and yes, that's very good for me. So this is the top part. I'm just going to sew the sides by 1 inch, the 2 sides by 1 inch and the base by 1 inch, and also turn the neck with a bias. And after that I gave it a very good press. All the 4 ropes I already sewed them and turned them out and also gave them good press. And yes, I'm just going to be placing it like so and pinning that down. When I'm done pinning, I'm just going to go ahead and run a stitch all around all the 4 pieces, and yes, that's it. It's completely ready and done. So I hope you guys found this very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to share and drop a comment. If you found this helpful, just drop a comment, let me know. If there's any tutorial you also want to see, please let me know and I'll be sure to answer. This is what it looks like when I was done. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.